Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm with Paige and we're gonna walk you through Ustrasana position. This is the camel pose. So we want this to be a combination of strength and flexibility. So we start off in a kneeling position and we want to explore having the front of the pelvis really open. So we're gonna push the pelvis forward. Now, sometimes the tailbone tucks when this happens. We don't want to tuck the tailbone. Instead, you want to use your back muscles to actively arch the spine. And then for beginners or anyone just starting off with Ustrasana position, you might want to curl the toes under. This will elevate the platform of the feet. And then when you reach back, you can reach the toes down and the fingertips to the heels. So we have those toes curled under that elevates the heels. And we're still working all the principles of Ustrasana. The shoulders roll forward, the hips push forward, there's a nice arch in the back. Then if this feels comfortable, we can come all the way back up and set up for the classical variation of Ustrasana. So the toes are pointed, the hips move forward, and then now we're gonna press the heel of the hand. So we exhale, go down, pressing the heel of the hand onto the heel of the foot and keeping the fingers closed. Many people will try to squeeze their shoulders towards each other. Once you're in the asana, you actually want to roll the shoulders away from each other. This will make space for the neck. Constantly pushing the pelvis forward, engaging the back muscles, and avoiding tucking the tailbone and overactivating the glutes. This will make your Ustrasana, your camel pose, into a nice arch. When it's time to come up, we want to engage the back muscles and let that lift the spine all the way up. Now, if you work Ustrasana like this, you'll improve your back bend. So try the technique and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, then come practice with me on my online channel, omstars.com. I would love to see you there where you can get more in-depth instruction into the Ashtanga yoga method.